Oh, I'm digging it. I am digging it.
Welcome back, everybody. This is Soarin Scratchin. We have a very good live video to react to today. I am looking forward to it. I've already seen it. I want to see my friend's reaction. I am the Eagle fan. And my friend.
That be me. I am Evil Chicken. And I am curious as to what's in store. Dave, what's in store?
Okay. Getting straight to the point.
Ah,
This is a group we've reacted to before. We are going
okay.
to Japan. And this is a live performance. This is Band Maid. It's a live performance of Manners and Black Hole.
Fair enough.
Now, actually, I don't want to say anything. I will just let you hear it and make up your own mind.
Okay. Well, fair enough.
So, I'm ready.
Sounds intriguing.
Are you ready?
I am ready. And I don't
Are
know what this is.
you ready? uh, he's got a play toy over there. That's okay. It's keeping him active.
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
Noise.
I knew you were gonna like how that started.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Thoughts?
Oh, I'm digging it. I am digging it. Yeah, definitely. The energy, as you know, the percussion and the bass. I am a fan, and
Oh yeah.
yeah, very nice.
Yeah,
Very
once
nice.
I heard this song start, I was like, oh, yeah. Yeah, it's just, and I like how that bass line is just still playing through
Oh
this. And
yeah,
it's
yeah,
basically,
definitely.
this is centered around the bass and that
Yeah,
drum.
yeah. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. Yeah, I'm in.
Yeah, it's got a
Definitely.
nice vibe to it.
Yeah, very smooth.
Okay, let's hear more.
Yes, please.
Okay, so that was Manners.
Nice.
I
Yeah.
really like that song. I was blown away when I heard that. It was just
Yeah.
it's got this feel to it. It's just kind of just a coolness to it
Yeah.
where it's just almost a bluesy kind of undertone to it there.
Yeah. That and that bass line.
Oh yeah, and it just stays the whole time. It's
Yeah.
great.
It's
The bass
nice.
player's just over there doing her thing.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh yeah. Wonderful. Wonderful.
So
Good stuff.
next up in this performance, they go into this song called Black Hole, which
Okay.
is a bit of a contrast from what we just saw.
Oh wow. I'm
So
intrigued.
I will leave it at that and let you see what you think.
Okay.
This is the one called black hole, you know?
Okay, before we get too much further,
Right. Right. You can
this
still
is
hear that
like,
bass line,
oh yeah,
but oh my. Yeah.
this is like speed power metal.
Yes, it is. That's exactly the words I would use. Yeah, digging it, digging it. Yeah, this would be a great band to see live. Now, is this must have been from their they did a live broadcast without an audience. Unfortunately, I didn't see it, but this looks like it came from that. Awesome.
Oh yeah, this it said back in May, and I think that's when it was. So
Yeah, I
yeah,
believe so. Yeah. But oh yeah, I'm digging it. I'm digging it. What do you
yeah,
think?
this is I'm liking. I definitely want to see these guys live or
Oh
these
yeah,
ladies live if they come around,
absolutely. Yeah, I'm with you. Yep,
whenever that
definitely.
will be. Probably
Right.
2023 or something. The way this is going now.
Could be, could be. But that's okay. I mean, uh, one thing at a time.
There you go.
But,
Then
yeah, no,
2024 is Disney.
holy crow. Yeah,
You're getting
I'm
closer to that.
noise.
Let's hear some more Band Maid.
Indeed.
That's one that the drummer must be tired at the end.
Holy crap! Her arms must fall off. Any speed drummer, you know. I mean, it always amazes me. It really
Yeah.
does. Wow. You know what's neat? There's the lead singer, but it's also um, the secondary singer. She is the two of them together create the sound, and it's really good. I
Yeah.
like it.
Now,
I like it a lot.
speaking of that secondary singer,
Yes.
and please, out there, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm just basing this on the comments that I've seen in videos that I've done from this band. My understanding is she actually learned to play guitar since the band started.
Really? Wow.
So she didn't come into this knowing how to play guitar.
It's kind of
That,
like
at
how
least that's my
U2
understanding.
started. That's cool. Yeah, U2 had a similar sort of thing. They had the instruments, they didn't know how to play them.
Well, didn't know
they,
that.
you know, like, you know, good grief. And everybody's name just left my mind. But
I respect people who can learn different instruments, learn musical instruments. I wish I kind of had that ability,
yeah, I know
but
what you mean.
it's amazing because there have been bands and stuff that I've seen where people not just play one instrument, can play multiple instruments.
Yeah,
There's a band that I saw live a while back. This would have been back in like the late 80s, early 90s. And I know at one point in their set, they get to this point where they all switch positions for like a cover song. They did a cover of I think it was a Zeppelin song. But
that's
like the
cool.
drummer comes out and sings, the
Wow.
singer goes to like bass or something, the bass player or went to lead guitar, bass
Right,
player
right.
went to drums, the
Oh, that's just
guitar
cool.
went to bass.
Yeah,
It was just kind of
that's
cool. It's
fun.
like that's cool.
That's fun. That's neat. Wow. Yeah, I agree with you, man. I am not musically inclined. I appreciate it, but I can't play a damn thing. Well, kazoo. I'm good at the kazoo. Play a mean kazoo. Other than that, and a radio. I can play a radio, an MP3 player.
Hey, I
So
can
that's
play a radio. I play a
fun.
mean radio,
You do.
especially
You
if
play
I
a mean
have.
YouTube. What you do?
I'll say, especially if I have YouTube that I can stream on the radio.
There you go. Yeah,
So,
good band. Yeah, Band
yeah,
Maid.
definitely. Let us know your thoughts about the ladies down below.
Please do. Please do.
I definitely want to hear and know more,
Yeah.
and definitely want to see them live.
Oh God, yeah. I think that'd be awesome. Absolutely wonderful. Ah, all right.
Thank you guys again.
Yes, thank you for
Now,
watching.
a like, comment, subscribe, and click on that little bell down there. You'll know when we have new videos out that way. That is always appreciated.
Never pressured. We're not into that.
Yeah. Do so as you feel inclined. We are here having a good time, and thank you guys for joining us.
Yeah, definitely. This is fun. This is a good. That was a nice double shot. Just saying.
I'm glad. I'm glad you liked it.
Yeah, definitely.
It's
Definitely.
it's good to know that you like my choices, and it's also good to be good to people. Be kind.
Very true.
Make it a
Love the
better
segue.
world.
Indeed.
I may have
Yeah.
forced that segue.
But it was a good segue. A good segue nonetheless. Yes, indeed. And while you're being kind, continue to stay healthy. Keep doing what you're doing. There's a light at the end of the tunnel, and that's all because of people not thinking selfishly and thinking for others. So keep doing that, please.
Yes,
And thank you for that.
thank you. And as always, keep your eyes to the sky, because there is something out there.
Well, that's ominous. But other than that, and keep your ear to the ground because you want to hear that something coming. Whatever it is.
Well, it's better that there's something out there than nothing.
Well, I don't know. I mean, on a quantum level, I mean, can you really can you really say that there's nothing? I don't know if you can.
Well,
I'm
therefore, there's
just
something.
I'm just saying. Well, yeah, you good point there. Okay.
So you've
Touche,
made my point for me.
touche, sir.
Thank you guys for making it this far. We appreciate
God bless you.
it. Take care, everybody.
Peace. Stay safe.